Hello and good morning. It is the 5th day of April 2017 and it is a Wednesday. Very quick cryptocurrency update, and I kind of like these messages that can come up whatever I'm doing. I wish I can get the same for when I get buy and sell orders in as well, but please look at Strat. It's moving insanely fast up, and yeah, it is. There's not much I can do with it right now. I was talking about it before, saying it might be a good strategy to get into Strat, pun intended. Well, yeah, it's up. But all I can do now is this math formula. H, an unknown variable, divided by 59 to the power of f, which is two calculations. One will be 7.64, the other 618. Multiply the 5900 again, and that will give me the two key areas I'll be looking to maybe enter in. As far as if I was in any type of position, I would definitely be looking at the distribution phase when you consider this extreme volume. Yes, we could have continuation of higher volume and bigger moves, and it could also go sideways on lower volume and then go up later. Those are the two risks of selling at this point, but these markets overextended are going to correct at some point. The easy look is previous resistance. Moving on, I was looking at Bela at this time, and this Fibonacci calculator of H divided by L to the power of, in this case, 1618, multiply the low. In this case, it comes out to 10781, and the current high is in at 10777, a 4-point pierce below. I will call that an exact hit. Of course, I was hoping for the pierce above because the majority of my sell orders in at the high 10.9, 11 even, and even a little over the 11 number, but it can still obviously go up higher, and long term I really do think it will, because the one key thing I'm looking at is volume, and I'm not showing it on this chart. And when you see it, well, as of now it is 7 times lower than the volume on the top period back in here, and that's what I'm looking for an extended pullback. I think short term, intermediate term, this will pull back. Maybe within the day it may extend it a little bit because the highs are known after the fact. It isn't after the fact yet. Right now, this is where it lies. If it doesn't breach it out today or tomorrow or even the next day or soon, this will be that key high. But the key numbers I've been talking about up here are going to stay in play because it looks like it's got momentum, but just maybe it might need to test back to some of these key areas, which is the 8,000 previous resistance Fibonacci level as well, the previous high down towards here, but mainly the 18 average band. Let's move this on to the Bitcoin. This line has been written in here for days and days and days. I added this one yesterday, but all I added was the 1163 number, because current phase is, maybe I should have taken this S out. Current phase is establishing resistance. Like I stated in Bela, tops are known after the fact. Right now it's 1163 here. Today's session, pretty much sideways. It hasn't went down much, but it's down. I'm looking for a move to the band, but if later today it takes this level out, well then up this number from 1163 to the new high. And maybe even the next day, if it doesn't retrace and maybe just goes sideways in here and then starts to go higher, well then established resistance number is going to be higher. That's the thing. But if I see a move down in here, it's at the band, okay, highs and lows known after the fact. At that point, it's after the fact. This is the high. You can number it. Any move up to it is a test of previous high. Okay, take care.